Alright guys, welcome to the multi-dimensional trading video series. This is video number 8 of our 10-part series. Today we're going to show you our live trade on the euro dollar pair. We're going to walk you through it and how we took it, why we took it. We are basically using a very simple concept in conjunction with the other concepts, the very simple concepts that we have shown you in the previous videos. We like to call this concept the number signals, right? The number signals. We are taking trades or taking reversals at very specific numbers on the chart. This happens on every chart. On any asset, you're going to find the number signals on every asset, on any asset that you want to trade, okay? In this particular one, we are looking at the Dixie. We're looking at the dollar, the US dollar index. And the specific number that we're looking at, you can see it on the screen, is 101.555. The number signal being 555. Okay, there's plenty of other numbers to look at and take reversals on as well. However, in this specific video, we are focusing on 101.555. Okay, we took the short on the euro because we understood that the dollar was pumping or going to pump or have a high probability to pump off of the 555 number signal. So we have this dollar right now, the US dollar index. We have it on the inverted scale, which is basically showing us the euro the right side up, which is the other side of the euro, is the dollar. But if you can see, as we turn it the right side up, it's pumping off of 101.555. Okay, that's the target. That was the target. It fell all day until it reached that number. We knew we could catch a high probability reversal on that number on the Dixie. So if the dollar is going to pump, we know we can take the short on the euro because dollar goes up, euro comes down. It's that simple. We love the fact that we have the Dixie that will give us the complete inverse to the euro so we can print money. Technically, we play the Dixie, we play the dollar, we play the DXY, and we enter our trades on the euro. That's what we're doing in our world here. We're taking the pump off of 101.555, but we're shorting the euro in tandem with the DXY. We're looking at the number signals. These are signals, just like if you were in a paid signals group and it'll tell you where to go long or where to go short, the chart is giving you the same signals, okay? Very specific. Look at that, 101.555. The chart is pumping right off of that number. There's other numbers on the chart as well that you guys will see over time and experience, right? Like 666, 369, 444, 420, 333, right? 777. You guys are going to see these numbers and they primarily come in threes. This on every chart. Okay, you can check the NASDAQ, the 100. You can check the US 500, check gold, silver. You're going to see these numbers on every chart. That's going to give you clear number signals. Okay, as you can see, we're pumping right off of 101.555. Chart has fell primarily all day on the dollar until we got to that very specific area. It's time for reversal. Okay, number signals gives you a signal that it's time for reversal. It does not have to be specifically at the number. It's just either on the number, right before the number, after the number, below the number, close to it, in the vicinity of those very specific numbers, and you know you have a high probability trade to go the other way. Okay, we look at it, we watch it hit the number, we see how it behaves first, and then we match it up with our other confluences, right? Like our equal lows, our equal highs, our break evens. If it's at the bottom of a bubble or the top of a bubble, we're looking at those confluences to match up with our number signals. And when we get those matching up, we know we're taking high probability trades. Okay, we're looking at it pump off of 101,555. That gives us a very nice confluence. So here we're going to put in our zero stop loss, or what some would call moving your stop loss to break even, right? Because that is a smart way to play your trade. Now you are in a zero risk trade. If the chart or the price went back up against us, we're stopped out for 0 points, 0 pips. We don't lose anything on the trade. Our stop loss is moved to our entry price. So we basically are in a risk-free trade at this point once we put our stop loss to 0 or move it to break even. I feel comfortable moving my stop loss to break even, and then I also have this extra comfortability of knowing that I'm pumping off a very specific number that almost always shows me a reversal when we hit those specific numbers. It's a high probability thing. It's a high win rate ordeal when you're playing those number signals. Okay, 555. It's a good one. 666, 369, 227, 777, 420, 444. Okay, 333, 316. This happens all day long. It doesn't matter what chart you're playing, you're going to start to recognize those number patterns, right? Those number signals on the chart will start to show you over and over. Okay, we're at 0 on the stop, 72 set for the take profit, 0 set for the stop loss. So if it ran back on us, guys, we would not have to worry about going back into drawdown. We would just be out of the trade. We wouldn't have to worry about going from being into profit into the negative. That is the smartest way to play this market. Once you know you got the trade going your way, just put the stop to break even or keep it really tight. I prefer break even. I prefer putting it at 0 stop loss because I understand that if it runs back against me, I'm out for 0 and I have almost all of my capital to go back in on another trade. I prefer to do it that way. That seems the best way for us, for me, for anyone that I teach. That has been the best way in our experience. So we're looking at this 5-minute chart here, flushing, right? Flushing, doing very well. And we are simply catching this trade because we matched up with the number signal on the DXY. Okay, the number signal on DXY shows us it's time for reversal. Okay, you also can play the number signals on the euro itself. It's just for us, we normally look at the Dixie to determine what trade to take on the euro. We're basically trading the Dixie, trading the DXY, and entering our trades on the euro. Okay, this is that multi-dimensional trading that we do. We are trading multiple dimensions here. We're looking at the DXY, yet we are also entering our trades on the euro. We're matching it up with the equal highs, equal lows on the DXY, the break evens on the DXY. We're doing the same on the euro. We're taking the number signals on the DXY and entering our trades on the euro. We are looking at multiple dimensions and we're catching high probability trades. It's as simple as that. The concepts are simple, common sense concepts. This is what we do. This is multidimensionaltrading.com. This is our 8th video. Watch the other videos, 1 through 7. This will back up everything that I am showing you guys here. And this is something to add onto what you already have learned. Number signals, 101.555. Look at how that chart is pumping right off of that number. Nice green bars. Fat, nice green bars to the upside right off of that number. Okay. We get down here to this low, these equal lows, and then this is where we decide to take profit. Simply because we understand when the chart gets to equal lows, it's time, most likely, for a reversal. And this is why we take our profit here. Remember, like I said in previous videos, you can wait till it hits your TP. However, if you set your TP, it's good to have a goal, but you can always get out whenever you see fit. Okay? If it didn't just flush down to your TP and it's getting stuck on some equal lows, there is nothing wrong with taking that profit, getting out. Okay? Because at that point, you know equal lows, it reverses there. Equal, equal. It reverses there. So we took that profit and got out because we understand by experience this happens over and over on the chart. No matter what asset we play, it reverses at equal lows. It shorts at equal highs. It shorts at break evens, or longs at break evens, depends on which way you're looking at it, short or long. Okay? We do this every day. It says multidimensionaltrading.com. Follow us, like, subscribe. Follow us on Twitter, x.com. Follow us on Instagram. Our next video, number 9, will be coming out soon. Stay tuned. This is what we do. We appreciate you guys watching, learning with us, experiencing with us. I will see you guys in the next one. Lesson number 9 coming soon. Peace.